Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching Magnifier so you can see immediate changes. Press Windows+++ to open it. Once it appears, pick a start zoom level, 100% for minimal change or 200% for clearer detail, because different tasks need different magnification. Next, choose a view. Full screen for everything enlarged, lens for a movable window, or dock to keep a fixed strip at the top. Make sure to keep the magnifier controls visible, so you can adjust quickly as you continue. Now refine how Magnifier behaves so it matches your workflow. Use Windows++ and Windows+- to change zoom in small increments, which gives precise control without overshooting. Once done, move the lens with your mouse or arrow keys. If you need to pan smoothly, try Ctrl+Alt+arrow keys to shift view. Also set tracking preferences to follow the keyboard, mouse pointer, or text cursor depending on whether you type or read more. This keeps the area of interest centered automatically. Finish by customizing Magnifier in Settings Ease of Access Magnifier so it behaves the way you want. Enable smooth edges for clearer text, invert colors for contrast, and adjust zoom increments for finer control. Once customized, practice switching views and using shortcuts so it becomes second nature. If Magnifier won't open or acts erratically, make sure no keys are stuck, restart your laptop, and then try launching with Windows++ again. This usually clears temporary glitches and restores normal function.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.